Okay, I'm gonna add my chicken in. I cooked my rice last night, and I'm just warming it on the stove now because I'm doing a stir fry. I like to have my rice cooked like a day before. And I had marinated my meat yesterday as well. Now I'm just gonna let it cook. And I will be back in a minute. I added ginger, Worcestershire sauce, less sodium soy sauce, and some sesame oil. This pouch came, these veggies came with 2 pouches. I'm just gonna use half a bag of this in 1 pouch. So here's the stir fry. That's how it's looking.